Hi students, in this video I will discuss regarding fundamental concept of trigonometry. I'm going to demonstrate to you that how we find the values of sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant as well, and cosecant. Right. I will start with the first angle, pi over 6. This one. Okay. In this diagram, circle diagram of trigonometry, I'm going to create a triangle. Okay. Uh, Pay attention for this triangle. This triangle has coordinates point. Okay. The coordinates point, this is for x axis is square root 3 over 2, and y axis is half. Okay. This is square root 3 over 2, and this is a half. Okay, y-axis is half, and x-axis square root 3 over 2, and the gradient is 1. It means sine pi over 6, okay, or sine 30 equals a half of 1 equals a half, cosine pi over 6, okay, equals square root 3 over 2 over 1 equals square root 3 over 2. Or if you multiply with, or if you simplify, it's gonna be half square root 3. Tangent, tangent pi over 6 equals half over square root 3 over 2. It's gonna be half times 2 over square root 3, cancel 1 over square root 3, or 1/3 square root 3. Cotangent pi over 6, it means equals the opposite of 1 over square root 3 is square root 3 over 1 equals square root 3. So what second? For second pi over 6 equals 1 over cosine pi over 6 equals 1 over pi, 1 over square root 3 over 2 equals 1 times 2 over square root 3. Or you may simplify, becomes 2/3 square root 3. And cosecant, for cosecant pi over 6 equals 1 over sine pi over 6. Okay. Sine pi over 6 is half. So it means 1 over half equals 1 times 2 over 1 equals 2. Okay. Next, let's move to the next angle, pi over 4. pi over 4, I'm going to create a triangle. Rectangle this. Okay. 1, the gradient, and y-axis square root 2 over 2, x-axis square root 2 over 2 as well. This is the angle. So sine pi over 4 equals square root 2 over 2 over 1, square root 2 over 2, or half square root 2. So sine pi over 4 equals square root 2 over 2 over 1 equals square root 2 over 2, or half square root 2. Tangent pi over 4 equals this number over this number equals 1. Cotangent pi over 4 as well, 1. Okay. Second pi over 4 equals 1 over cos second pi over 4 equals 1 over square root 2 over 2. It's going to be 2 over square root 2. 2 over square root 2, we may simplify. Okay, you can simplify, becomes this is times square root 2 over square root 2. And it's going to be 2 over 2 square root 2. Okay, equals square root 2. Okay, cosecant. X cosecant pi over 4 equals 1 over sine pi over 4 equals 1 over square root 2 over 2. Same with this one equals square root 2. Next. Okay. The next angle is pi over 3. I'm going to create triangle. This is the angle pi over 3, and on y-axis square root 3 over 2, on x-axis half. So it means sine pi over 3 equals square root 3 over 2 over 1, square root 3 over 2. Okay. And for the coordinates point, this is a half, comma, square root 3 over 2. Actually, sine is this one, square root 3 over 2, while cosine is 1 over 2 as well. This is square root 3 over 2 and half. This is the sine pi over 6, and cosine pi over 6 is square root 3 over 2. Okay, so cosine pi over 3 equals a half, 1, so half, tangent pi over 3 equals square root 3 over 2 over 1 over 2, square root 3 over 2 times 2 equals square root 3. Cotangent pi over 3 equals opposite of tangent. It becomes 1 over tangent pi over 3 So 1 over square root 3 or 1/3 square root 3. And after that, secant pi over 3 equals 1 over cosine pi over 3 equals 1 over half equals 2, and cosecant pi over 3 equals 1 over sine pi over 3 equals uh, square root 3 over 2, sorry, 1 over square root 3 over 2. 1 over square root 3 over 2 equals 2 over square root 3 or 2/3 square root 3. That. Next. Okay, after that, pi over 2. But for pi over 2, sine pi over 2 or sine 90 equals 1. Okay, 1 over 1 is 1. Cosine pi over 2 equals 0 over 1 equals 0. So the coordinate point here is 0, 1. And this is the values of sine, and this is the cosine value. Okay, tangent pi over 2 equals 1 over 0, undefined. Cotangent pi over 2 equals 0 over 1 equals 0. Secant pi over 2 equals 1 over cosine pi over 2 equals 1 over 0, undefined. And cosecant pi over 2, 1 over sine 2 equals 1 over 1 equals 1. Okay. Next, I'm going to move to the next angle, 2 pi over 3, but I'm going to clean first the space because I'm going to use this space. Okay. Right. Next, continue to 2 pi over 3. I'm going to create the triangle. Okay. Okay. 2 pi over 3 actually from 0 until here 2 pi over 3, and look that triangle 2 pi over 3 identical with this triangle. Okay. Okay. So similar with that, and as well similar with this triangle. Okay. Yeah. So we are going to find this, okay, this angle. Okay, and this is negative half. Our y-axis square root 3 over 2. Okay, so sine 2 pi over 3 equals square root 3 over 2 over 1 square root 3 over 2. And the coordinate point here, the coordinate point is negative half, comma, square root 3 over 2. Okay, so this the sign values of 2 pi over 3, and this one actually cosine value of 2 pi over 3. Cosine minus half over 1 equals minus half, and tangent 2 pi over 3 equals square root 3 over 2 over minus half equals square root 3 over 2 times minus 2 over 1 equals minus square root 3. Cotangent 2 pi over 3 is opposite of tangent. It means 1 over negative 1 over square root 3. It's a minus. Okay. And after the second 2 pi over 3 equals 1 over cosine 2 pi over 3, 1 over negative half equals negative 2. Okay. Cosecant 2 pi over 3 equals 1 over over sine 1 over sine, okay, equals 2 over square root 3 or 2/3 square root 3. Okay. Now we move to 3 pi over 4. I'm going to create the triangle. 3 pi over 4 actually this. Okay. But we are going to find this angle. As you know that for uh, sine, for example, sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta. Yeah. Sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta. Yeah. It's 100 minus 80. So to find this sine this angle actually same with if we find this angle. Okay. And it is square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2, and this is 1, the gradient. So we're going to determine the values. Sine 3 pi over 4 equals, okay, I'm going to write down, the coordinate point. This is actually the sine values, and this one the cosine values. Square root 2 over 2 over 1 equals square root 2 over 2, or a half square root 2. And cosine 3 pi over 4 equals minus square root 2 over 2 over 1 equals minus square root 2 over 2, or minus half square root 2. Tangent 3 pi over 4. Add this number over this number, it means negative 1. Cotangent 3 pi over 4. Opposite of tangent, 1 over tangent. 3 pi over 4 equals negative 1. Now, second, 3 pi over 4 equals 1 over cosine 3 pi over 4. It becomes 1 over minus square root 2 over 2, or 2 minus 2 over square root 2, or if you multiply by square root 2 over square root 2, it's going to be negative square root 2. Okay. Cosecant. Cosecant 3 pi over 4 equals 1 over sine 3 pi over 4, 1 over sine 3 pi over 4, square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 over 2 equals 2 over square root 2 equals square root 2. Next, this one, 5 pi over 6. Actually, 5 pi over 6 is the angle. Okay. But you're going to find this angle. Okay. If this is theta, so recall that sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta. Yeah. Okay, I will determine the fields, but first this is half, and minus square root 3 over 2, 1 here. Okay, it means sine 5 pi over 6 equals half. For 1 equals half. Cosine 5 pi over 6 equals negative square root 3 over 2 or 1. Okay, I forgot to write down the coordinate point. The coordinate point is negative square root 3 over 2, comma, half. This is the values of sine 5 pi over 6, and this is cosine 5 pi over 6. Okay, let's continue this one. Negative square root 3 over 2, or half square root 3, negative. Tangent 5 pi over 6 equals a half over minus square root 3 over 2, half times 2 over square root 3, negative. It becomes 1 over square root 3, negative 1 over square root 3. And if you simplify times square root 3 over square root 3, it's going to be negative 1/3 square root 3. Next, second, 5 pi over 6 equals 1 over cosine 5 pi over 6 equals 1 over cos this one negative square root 3 equals 1 equals negative 2 over square root 3. Okay. Or if you times square root 3 over square root 3, it's going to be negative 2/3 square root 3. While cosecant, I'm going to use this space. Cosecant of 5 pi over 6 equals 1 over sine. Sine 5 pi over 6, 1 over 1 over 2 plus 2. Okay. Okay, next for pi, okay, or 180 sine this is x equals this is x equals 1 and y equals 0. And sorry, negative 1, 0. Okay. So sine equals 0 over 1 equals 0. Cosine pi equals negative 1 over 1 equals negative 1. Tangent pi equals 0 over negative 1 equals 0. Cotangent pi equals negative 1 over 0, undefined. Second pi equals 1 over cosine pi. 1 over negative 1 equals negative 1. And cosecant, sorry, cosecant pi equals 1 over sine pi equals 1 over 0 equals undefined. Okay. We're going to move to 7 pi over 6, but still in this space. So I'm going to clean first. Okay. All right. Now 7 pi over 6. I'm going to create the triangle. Okay. Actually, this the angle. Yeah, it's the angle. We are going to determine the values. Uh, you know that we can determine uh, using this angle. Yeah. As you know, I'm going to inform you that if sine 270 minus theta equals minus cosine theta. So we can determine sine 7 pi over 6 using this angle. Okay. All right. So it means the coordinate point is negative square root 3 over 2, comma, negative half. Okay. Because this minus half, this is minus square root 3 over 2, 1, the gradient, right? So let me start from sine 7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6 equals negative half over 1, and cosine 7 pi over 6 equals negative square root 3 over 2 over 1, negative square root 3 over 2, tangent 7 pi over 6 equals this number over this number, negative half over negative square root 3 over 2 equals negative half times negative 2 over square root 3. It's going to be negative 1 over a positive, okay, square root 3, or if you multiply, it becomes 1/3 square root 3. Next, for second. Second pi over 7 pi over 6 equals 1 over cosine 7 pi over 6. 1 over negative square root 3 over 2. It becomes negative 2 over square root 3. Or if you multiply with square root 3 over square root 3, it becomes negative 2/3 square root 3. After that, cosecant, for cosecant, for cosecant, cosecant 7 pi over 6 equals 1 over sine 7 pi over 6 equals 1 over, okay, sine negative half, negative 2. Okay, we move to the next angle, 5 pi over 4. Okay, I'm going to create the triangle. Okay, the triangle like this. Actually, the angle 5 pi over 4 from 0 to here, but I'm going to use this angle to determine the values of sine, cosine, tangent, and so on. This is negative half square root, negative square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. Okay, so the coordinate point, negative square root 2 over 2, comma, negative square root 2 over 2. This is the values of sine 5 pi over 4, and this one, the value of a cosine 5 pi over 4. Okay, now sine 5 pi over 4 equals, the gradient 1 equals negative square root 2 over 2 over 1, negative square root 2 over 2, or you may write thing as negative half square root 2, and cosine 5 pi over 4, negative square root 2 over 2 over 1 equals negative square root 2 over 2 or negative half square root 2. Tangent 5 pi over 4, this number over this number equals 1. Cotangent as well, 1. Next, we are going to determine secant and cosecant. Secant 5 pi over 4 equals 1 over cosine 5 pi over 4. It becomes 1 over minus square root 2 over 2 or negative 2 over square root 2. Okay, or it's going to be negative square root 2. Okay. If you multiply with square root 2 over square root 2, cosecant. Cosecant 5 pi over 4 equals 1 over sine 5 pi over 4, 1 over negative square root 2 over 2 equals negative square root 2. Okay, next, 4 pi over 3. This angle, okay, I'm going to create a triangle. Okay, this one. This is negative square root 3 over 2, and this is negative a half. Okay, so sine the gradient 1, sine 4 pi third equals negative square root 3 over 2 over 1, negative square root 3 over 2, or negative half square root 3. Cosine 4 pi over 3 equals negative half over 1 equals negative half. Tangent 4 pi over 3 equals this number over this number, sine over cosine. So negative square root 3 over 2 over negative half equals negative square root 3 over 2 times negative 2 over 1. It's going to be positive square root 3 cotangent. For cotangent, 4 pi over 3 is 1 over tangent. 4 pi over 3, 1 over 1 over square root 3. Next for now secant 4 pi over 3, 1 over cos sine 4 pi over 3, 1 over cosine minus half equals minus 2, and cosecant 4 pi over 3 is 1 over sine 4 pi over 3, 1 over minus square root 3 over 2, Okay, negative 2 over square root 3. Then it becomes negative 2 third square root 3. Okay. Now 3 pi over 2 or 270. The coordinate point here is 0, negative 1. Okay. So it means sine. This is the failure. The sine failures and it's one cosine. So sine 3 pi over 2 equals negative 1 over 1. It's negative 1. Cosine 3 pi over 2 equals 0 over 1 equals 0. Tangent 3 pi over 2 equals negative 1 over 0 equals undefined. Cotangent 3 pi over 2 equals 0 over negative 1 equals 0. Second, 3 pi over 2 equals 1 over cosine 3 pi over 2 equals 1 over 0, undefined, while cosecant 3 pi over 2, 1 over sine 3 pi over 2 equals 1 over negative 1 equals negative 1. I'm still using this diagram, so I will clean first. Okay. And for the next angle, it is 1 5 pi over 3. But actually, 5 pi over 3 is the reflections of a pi over 3. In this diagram, if you pay attention that actually 2 pi over 3 is a reflection of pi over 3, 3 pi over 4 is a reflections of pi over 4, 5 pi over 6 is a reflection of pi over 6, and 7 pi over 6 is reflections of pi over 5 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4 is reflections of 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3 is reflections of 2 pi over 3, and so reflecting of 4 pi over 3 is 5 pi over 3, right? So let's recreate the triangle. Okay. Okay. This half negative square root 3 over 2, 1 here. So sine the coordinate point here, half negative square root 3 over 2. This is the sine values, and cosine is half. Okay, so sine 5 pi over 3 equals square root 3 over 2 over 1, negative square root 3 over 2. Cosine 5 pi over 3 equals half over 1 equals half. Tangent 5 pi over 3 equals negative square root 3 over 2 over half. So it becomes square root 3 negative square root 3 over 2 times 2 equals negative square root 3. Okay. I'm going to clean first this area because I'm going to use that space. Okay. And next cotangent 5 pi third equals opposite of tangent 1 over tangent 5 pi over 3. Or it becomes negative 1 over square root 3 or negative 1/3 square root 3. And after that, the second 5 pi over 3 equals 1 over cosine 5 pi over 3 equals 1 over 1 cosine is 1/2 equals 2 and cosecant 5 pi over 3 equals 1 over sine 5 pi over 3 equals 1 over sine negative square root 3 over 2. It becomes 2 over negative square root 3 or negative 2/3 square root 3. Next. Okay. Now 7 pi over 4. Okay, for 7 pi over 4, we are going to create the triangle. I'm going to determine 7 pi over 4 using this angle. Okay. And the coordinate point, this is negative square root 2 over 2. This is square root 2 over 2. And 7 pi over 4 actually the reflection of pi over 4. Okay, 1 here. And the coordinate point square root 2 over 2 comma negative square root 2 over 2. This is sine 7 pi over 4 and this one cosine 7 pi over 4. Okay, so sine 7 pi over 4 equals minus square root 2 over 2 over 1 minus square root 2 over 2 or negative half square root 2 cosine 7 pi over 4 equals square root 2 over 2 over 1 equals square root 2 over 2 or half square root 2. Tangent 7 pi over 4, 1 equals sine over cosine, this number over this number, negative square root 2 over 2 over square root 2 over 2 equals negative 1. Cotangent 7 pi over 4 equals 1 over tangent 7 pi over 4. 1 over negative 1 equals negative 1. Okay. And next, for secant secant 7 pi over 4 equals 1 over cosine 7 pi over 4 equals 1 over cosine as 1 square root 2 over 2 equals 2 over square root 2. Okay. And if you multiply with square root 2 over square root 2, okay, it becomes square root 2, positive, cosecant. Cosecant 7 pi over 4 equals 1 over sine 7 pi over 4. 1 over negative square root 2 over 2, or negative 2 over square root 2, or negative square root 2. Okay. Next. This one, pi over 11 pi over 6. We are going to create the triangle. Okay, I'm going to use this angle to determine this negative half. It's 1 square root 3 over 2, 1. And yeah, the point here, coordinate point, is square root 3 over 2, comma, negative half. This is sine 11 pi over 6, and this one cosine 11 pi over 6. Next, sine 11 pi over 6 equals minus half over 1 equals negative half cosine 11 pi over 6 equals square root 3 over 2 over 1 equals square root 3 over 2 tangent 11 pi over 6, because this number over this number, negative half over square root 3 over 2. It becomes negative half times 2 over square root 3. Cancel. It becomes negative 1 over square root 3, okay, or negative 1/3 square root 3. Okay. And next, second, 11 pi over 6 equals 1 over cosine 11 pi over 6. 1 over square root 3 over 2 becomes 2 over square root 3. Okay. Or 2/3 square root 3. Then cosecant 11 pi over 6 equals 1 over sine 11 pi over 6 comes 1 over negative half equals negative 2. Okay. Next. Okay. 2 pi. Okay. This is the coordinate point is 1, comma 0. Okay. 0 degrees equals 2 pi. So it means sine 0 or sine 0 equals sine 2 pi. Sine 2 pi. This sine and cosine. 0 over 1 equals 0. Cosine 2 pi equals 1 over 1 equals 1. Tangent 2 pi equals 0 over 1. Undefined. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's equals 0, not undefined. If the denominator 0, undefined. And cotangent 2 pi equals 1 over 0, undefined. Second 2 pi equals 1 over cosine 2 pi equals 1 over cosine 1 over 1, 1. Cosecant 2 pi equals 1 over sine 2 pi equals 1 over 0, undefined. Okay, students, thank you for joining with me in this lesson. If you have any questions, you may email me through my email, henrik.academy 21@gmail.com. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for joining. See you.